This way, this is what I drove all summer last year or 2 years ago. But I just I need air conditioning. I can't drive this car anymore. So I stopped driving this one when I bought the red one. And then you've seen up front I have a black GT. So that's what I'm driving this year. It's a little bit.
Hey guys, welcome back to Paul DaFox. Just on my way to Frankie's shop. He's the owner of CARSTAR Brampton and very well known to be the Foxbody paint guru. So he's invited me to come for a visit, so I'm heading down and I'm gonna go check out the shop and looking forward to seeing some Foxbodies inside. See you guys when I get down there.
Okay, so Frankie, these are all yours. Everything on this side is mine. These are 3 customers' cars. This car here, my dad got it sold. Bought this car brand new in 1966.
Wow. That's awesome.
This is, you have an amazing collection.
Yes.
Beautiful shop. I'm baffled.
Yeah,
Okay, tell us, just give us like a, you know what I mean, a snippet of each car.
You don't have to.
83 turbo car. We bought it we decided to build a track car with the guys at the shop. We bought this car, drove around the block a few times, and it just seems that our customers' cars just keep getting pushed ahead of this car. So maybe next year we'll have a car at the track. We always want to bring a car to the track, but we seem to always be working on our customers' cars. Up top's my '79 base car. It's all original. People say ruin the cars. I don't sell them. I do what I want to do. These are the LMR 16-inch TRX versions. I did like suspension, exhaust. Now I got to put a 2.5 in it, but it's when I get to it, right? It's when you get to it. I bought this car. I wanted a parts car, to be honest, but it's so big. I didn't buy it. I didn't take it apart. That was my daily last year. Just a stone stock 86 GT convertible. This car here, I bought this car off of lease in 1999.
Wow.
This car's got
this one here,
this one. It's got close to 400,000 kilometers on it.
Wow.
Yeah, I'd say 200 of them are standing still.
Okay, so
white
GT.
Just a car we bought. We didn't do anything to it. It's a possible build one day. Which I always wanted a white GT with the gray with the blue stripe.
Yeah.
And I always said, okay, here's the right car. We'll turn that into that car one day, but it just never happened. Green Coupe is a car that I bought that was pretty seriously modified. Had a bunch of performance stuff, and we've taken a lot of the performance stuff off, and we're going to bring it back to it's a low kilometer, 60,000 kilometer-ish. Coupe, so it's just going to be a nice driving car.
92 or
92?
92. I see another,
It's at 93, just, I think anybody who has a Mustang has to have a black 93 Coupe, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to get up. I'm trying to get up.
That's my black 93 Coupe. It's beautiful.
I'm going to see if I can get on this side. It's better on this side.
The driver this way. This is what I drove all summer last year or 2 years ago. But I just I need air conditioning. I can't drive this car anymore. So I stopped driving this one when I bought the red one. And then you've seen up front I have a black GT.
Yeah, I saw that.
So that's what I'm driving this year. It's a little bit
still my top 2 favorite intake.
That's my favorite intake all day long, hands down.
That one, I do like the the Cobra intake as well.
Yeah.
I love the Cobra intake, but still the tubular.
That's my favorite intake, hands down.
Yeah, it's good shape, man. How many kilometers on it?
High. Yeah, I think this car's got like around the 200, around 200,000. It's a good car. It's thick. But this is a good car. This is a nice car.
He was going to ask if you wanted to sell this one.
This car here, You know what? The drivetrain in this car is like 10 out of 10. So I've always said I'm going to take the drivetrain out of this car, make it stock, and put this drivetrain into a different car. So I don't know.
What's hiding under the cover?
Actually, these two cars are just two friends of mine cars.
So that's a Grand National under there.
Yeah.
Nice.
And this is your.
This is a good friend of mine as well. Yeah.
Who's quick? I like
Who's
that.
quick?
Who's quick?
I like it.
Oh, man.
Like
you
the
got
plate.
a serious collection.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Absolutely
beautiful.
amazing.
You got a truck over there. This is a beautiful shop. You got a wicked, like, looks like a wicked little mezzanine up top.
That's like all nice stuff.
How do you get up there?
Yeah.
I need a truck like this that I don't care
Yeah.
about. I need a car that you don't care about. If you get a ding, a scratch.
So we decided, after we kind of got bored with this truck,
Yeah.
and I told my youngest daughter, just in general conversation, yeah, someone wants to come and see the truck. She goes, which truck? I said, the blue one. And she was like maybe 7 or 8 years old, and she started to cry. She goes, Daddy, that's my favorite.
I love
my
that truck.
favorite truck.
That's awesome, man.
So I said, okay. So since then, it's been sitting there, just collecting dust.
You
Because
should,
it's her favorite truck.
On her wedding day, if she ever
Yeah,
gets
I'm gonna
married.
give it to her.
Yeah.
Luigi and Juliana.
Yeah.
So I paid him to spray anything less than the best of the felony.
I love that.
So I got him to do that on the wall, and then I said, do me a favor. I said, just randomly put the kids' names somewhere on the wall. Like, I don't care where. Just put Luigi, Olivia, and Juliana somewhere on the wall. So he started with Olivia. He put Luigi, and then of course my daughter, who's not into horses, has the biggest name on the wall, and it's under the horse. You know what I mean? It's kind of funny. And my youngest daughter, that's my nephew, she's like her. I paint everything
Nice.
black.
I love it.
Yeah, I like black too.
You can't go wrong with black, right?
Yeah.
So,
Here, I'll take you upstairs if you want, but there's no photos on it. Very dirty.
I love this. This is like
this is amazing, man. I
a
see
little
so many
raptor.
things. Look at these beautiful black colors.
Wow.
All these seats.
Man, this is like a Mustang Heaven. Car, like,
I have like 4 sets of the
Carl.
wow.
Love the mesh. Or Carl.
This is.
Come in and get some of these seats.
So who did go-karting?
I've always had a go-kart just in the shop on my whole life, and now my son, I don't know if you see downstairs, there's another one.
Yeah, I saw
so
it.
my son has one too. It's just
I love that.
shop life. Everybody has a dirt bike, a go-kart. It's just kind of
Yeah,
This is crazy.
this is awesome.
I'll definitely remember you when I'm looking for some black tweed seats.
Wow.
Oh my god.
This is exactly what we were talking about, right? You just never know when you're going to need something.
You never know when you're going to need anything. Wow. You got clips,
Holy
more
smokies.
pieces, bashes.
And you know what's so crazy, Frankie? You're saying how, oh, it's a mess. It's all organized. Everything has
this is
its
a mess
spot.
to you guys, and I'm like,
Yeah, but everything has its spot. Like, you have everything put together.
I don't know. I'm
Look at
getting embarrassed.
this. Fenders. No.
No.
No, you crazy, man? This is Heaven, number 2.0.
Well, it's just, everything is like, has its spot.
Oh, yeah.
So
you
you
got
know
your nose
exactly.
clips, you got rims, you got your, your hoods all
I don't know,
together.
you guys see my shop. This is not
Well,
what
your
I'm norm.
yeah, of course. Your shop downstairs is pristine. You can eat off your floor
I
downstairs.
really like those Recaro.
I love those seats.
I love those Recaro.
So they came in a convertible that I bought as a parts car. That was one of the main reasons I bought that car. They're
Oh my god.
I got them if you know.
Wow.
Of course. Look at these heads. Zoom in, please, on that nose. God.
So I have an 87 coupe that I'm painting, and I just doing like a nut and bolt restoration. So there's the valve covers, and we're always experimenting, trying to find the right finish for the valve covers and the upper. I can never duplicate the original finish the way I like it, you know. So now this was one we did. I wasn't happy with it. Now we tried to go more of a hyper silver. Just trying different things. Just trying to
Yeah. This is a nice. It's almost similar to like.
You know what? And they're so different. It's not like it's every Mustang has the same
Can I
intake,
see?
same upper,
Just so I
same
can
lower.
have a
They're
look
all
at it.
different.
Yeah. Beautiful. Oh my god. The shop seems bigger than 12,000 square feet. Is that because you're utilizing all the that's not including all the mezzanine space?
It is.
Wow.
Oh my God, look at this. Columns. It's.
Paul wants to sleep here, Frankie.
Oh yeah, I can sleep here. You know, it's not.
I sell a lot of
training center. Oh my God. Oh my God. It just never ends, man. Look at this. Holy smokes, man. Headliners and black dashes, which are like impossible to find these days. I'm seeing black panels, hoods. Oh my God.
Wow.
You got stuff that is very hard to acquire, and it's clear, obvious that you've been collecting for a very long time.
It's amazing.
Even a beautiful tank cover, you know, being painted like that.
That's for the car with the supercharger downstairs?
Nice.
That's for that car there.
Good spot for it. Nice.
That's what this is. This is like our delicate stuff.
I was gonna say.
I'm not poster.
It's nice.
That's a beautiful poster.
I want to get the on the door, the decal on the door.
Oh my God, Sally's got so much footage for me.
You have lots to. This is beautiful. Look at that.
Come on in. So these guys are working. We're working hard. We'll get some of them.
Such a nice color.
Look at this thing, illuminator, motor in here. These guys working hard.
This is sick, this car.
Yeah.
This is sick. Yeah. Love that illuminator. That's gonna look really, really nice.
Yeah.
It's like 35 grand on that motor.
Wow. 35,000.
Yeah.
Wow. Your boy's hard at work. You guys hard at work, huh?
What's the way it is right now? This is 91. Yeah, this is nice build. I'll show you the video on this is good actually. Full coil over the front and back, 4-wheel disc, 4-wheel brakes all the way around. It's getting a roll bar. Completely with a paint on it as well. Check out the engine bay.
So they did the shaved engine bay. Look how beautiful that is. Looks really nice.
It's beautiful.
Great job in there, man. Now, did you guys do the motor as well?
We did everything in this car, yeah.
Look how nice and clean it is.
Super clean. Really, really nice. Okay, so what's going on with looks pretty good. Yeah, just pretty good. Hang on, let's go over here. A couple more.
This is Matt's car, it's another one of our tax cars.
Another,
Here, Matt! Come, talk about your car, baby.
That's nice. Nice.
There's a little turbo setup.
Wow.
You're asking about the rear rims, Matt. They said they never seen them before. What?
It's nice. Really beautiful.
Yeah, like Matt, like you know what I mean?
Not bad.
Hi, Matt.
Tell us about your motor, Matt. What do you got here?
It's 331, single turbo. Nothing too crazy.
331 single turbo. How big of a turbo?
It's 66.
Like the Holly Sniper EF5?
Yeah.
Works
It's on a Terminator X. And,
good.
PSI.
It's okay. You're only at 5 PSI.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's not. So I got a CO2 kits with the wastegate CO2. So I'm gonna bring the boost way up and then see thing that makes them.
Auto or stick up?
Yeah, it's a 3-speed.
3-speed TH400?
No, it's a T4.
B just went in front of the camera.
What, 64,000 kilometers.
64,000 K.
And you just picked this one up?
We picked it up, I don't know, a couple months ago. Just cleaning it up. I just haven't gotten around to it. Just
There's a bunch of them.
yeah, there's a lot of stuff like this. It's
So how many is this now? What does this add to?
Oh, who knows? Frank lost count.
What's that?
Long time ago. Frank lost count.
That's okay. It's
Okay,
right.
guys, we're gonna go over to Frankie's other shop. More Mustangs.
Sam, you gotta pull the cover off of your car too now, eh? You gotta call the Fox in the house, bro. Ceramic gray, it's flawless.
Little 4i. No, that's too much work, man. That looks. Oh my gosh.
I love these colors, guys.
And what wheels did you put? Just black wheels or what wheels?
Hey guys, just to wrap up this video, I thought I was going to one shop. I ended up going to 4 shops. Huge shout out to Frankie, the owner of CARSTAR Brampton, for inviting us out for the visit. It was truly amazing to see his Foxbody collection and all his other cars. I have so much footage that I'm gonna break up the video into 2 parts, maybe even 3 parts after I review everything. So stay with us. There's so much more Foxbody content to come in the videos to follow. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, share it, smash the subscribe button. We appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.